Hey folks, hope you're doing great. Today, I've brought you a brand new tutorial for GemBoards. In this video, I'll show you how to automatically move unfinished tasks when closing a sprint. First, go to your workspace and open your Agile board. As you can see, we currently have multiple sprints here: Sprint 1, Sprint 2, Sprint 3, and more. Right now, Sprint 2 is the active sprint, and it contains several unfinished tasks. Now the sprint end date has arrived, and we need to close this sprint. So let's do it. Go back to the Sprint Backlog tab and click on Complete Sprint. You'll see an alert asking what you want to do with the unfinished tasks. From the drop-down, you can choose where to move them: another sprint, the backlog, or even a new sprint, to automatically move all undone tasks. After that, hit the Complete button. The sprint will close instantly, and all unfinished tasks will be moved to your selected destination. In our case, all unfinished tasks were moved to Sprint 3, and now the active Sprint tab is completely blank. Super easy and clean, right? Start managing your project smarter with GemBoard today. Thank you.